Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the stock tracker app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see the tracker app. If it's not work for you, then you have to check for the update first. Okay. So for checking for the update, you can use directly Google or you can use our Play Store also. And if you're Apple user, then you have to use your Apple Store or Safari. Okay, then you have to search it here for the app. Okay, so here is our stock tracker app. Okay, so here I can see the stock tracker market app. So right here, just click on here and you can update it and use it. So after update, if it's not fixed, just press and hold it here. Just click on this I button. It will open into the app info. Then here you have to see for the storage section. Then you have to click on this clear button. Just click on the delete and you can use it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.